DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Morning, fans. Tonight we're going to draw one of the greatest Pokemon from Black and White Rival Destinies. Swanna, the white bird Pokemon. As you are familiar, she's from the Unova region. She's from the first time I saw her was on the Unova region gym battle. Yeah, first time Ash went up against the flying type gym leader, specialized in something called air battles. And well, it took on Pheasant to beat this bird in battle. Swanna has her ways. There we go. That's how you draw Swanna. For real this time.